Well, this box is so big that I had to enable the wide angle of my iPhone 11. Pretty excited about this new projector that has more brightness and keystone adjustments. And most importantly, it's full HD, 1080p. Wow. Let's take a look. The 8 corners are protected pretty well. Front. It is significantly larger than the 1020p version that got last time. Very well made. I like the box shape, and I'm also glad that the AC power is at the back, so I can, put it like this to project to the ceiling. Well, excellent. 2 HDMI ports, 1 SD card, VGA, the old school analog input, which I'm not gonna use, 2 USB ports, and I think 1 port is dedicated for power, and this probably is an infrared remote receiver, AV port, headphones, and this thing looks like a speaker. Interesting. And we have vents here, keystone adjustments. Wow, look at this big lamp. Well, the buttons located on top, and this is also a infrared receiver, I believe. Some adjustments here for angles. Let's see what else we have in the accessory box. Pretty damn hard to open. Let's do utility knife. Power cable. Remote. User manual, AV cable, HDMI cable. Oh, that's it. Let's take a minute to look at the setup here. I have this thing hooked up to a Google Chromecast, powered by the USB port in the back. Also, to show you the power consumption, I have hooked it up with the kilowatt power meter, which shows 149 watts. It consumes significantly more power than the previous generation, 720p, which is only around 50 watts. But the brightness just is totally worth it, I think. Let me turn off the light and keep the Apple commercial running. Hope that's okay. It's running 10 HP, 1080p. Also sounds great. Much louder than the smaller version. Well, my automatic light just came on. This is another video example for the HDR. Turn off the light. Let's get closer. And this is a newly painted white wall. Yeah, automatic light came on again. Colors, great. Let's walk through the menu here. Pictures, mode standard. Let's see what other options we have. Soft, vivid, standard. Let's use standard for now. Menu, color, temperature, medium. Aspect ratio 16:9, noise reduction. Let me turn it off. Front of desk, projection direction, sound mode. Options, language, factory default. Blending high. This one is the blending is the one I set to blend this menu in the picture. Set it to high. Keystone requires no adjustments. It works perfectly on my wall. So software update, USB, timer, and that's all the menu options. Color, temperature, medium, vivid. There's not much difference I can tell perhaps different contrast, brightness settings, presets, standard temperature, medium, warm, user, cool. I'll just use medium.